Alright, sorry about that. My ran out of space on my phone. See if I can pick up his queen if he's not paying attention. I got ahead and my timer went off. Hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Let's try to finish these games up first. Alright, he saw that, but now I have a fork right here. Okay, that's it.